What is up, my fam? Welcome back to another video. You all are welcome to the flipping video. Like I said, I've made this video I think 2 days ago, but I didn't have time to edit and post it. But anyways, we just go straight into the video, right? This is a $50 deposit, trying to flip this account with the strategy. On the previous video, I'm gonna leave the settings, everything you need would be in the description as always. So we're just gonna go ahead and flip account like we always do on this channel, using strategies that I already posted you guys with the settings. So if you don't have the settings, check the description, get the settings, apply them, and do as follows. But on this video, I'm going to add a little bit of price action. But first, I'm going to talk about how the strategy works, and then we're gonna go and talk about price action, because I feel like first of all you have to have discipline, then strategy, then you blend the strategy with price action, and then price action is gonna be equals to profit. As you can see over there, pure support and resistance, right? So you take action immediately after checking for so many reactions, which I'm also gonna talk during the price action part of this video. But firstly, let's just talk about the strategy. This is just a voiceover as the video plays. So as I talk about the strategy, I'm also flipping my account with the strategy. So I think it's good that way. So stay tuned, coming back with how the strategy works. Alright guys, so you see any time frame at all, as you can see there, the stochastic oscillator is pointing out a sell, but the moving averages and the envelopes are not giving us any confirmation yet. But still, I open up a sell on crash, was it crash 300. As you can see, I don't have to wait for the envelopes and the moving averages. Those two only give you maximum confirmations for entry. So if you like, when the strategy the indicators are at the unique levels, you can go in straight up with a buy or sell, right? And for multiple confirmations, you wait for the envelopes to face the direction of your entry, and also you wait for the moving averages to, if it cross at the higher highs, it's a sell, of course. If it cross at the lower lows, it's a buy. So those are just multiple confirmations. Majorly, you should go in straight up with the RSI on the stochastic indicator. Whatever it tells you, you go in, and then you can go in again when you get multiple confirmations from the envelopes or the moving averages, because most of the time the RSI would already be at the unique levels, and when it's there, the envelopes and the moving averages would give you no confirmations at all. They will just be following the candlestick charts and not showing you a reversal, a possible reversal, because the moving average is a trending indicator that's going to point out the change of a trend, so you know when the trend is about to change. And also the envelopes show you the strength of the market at the moment, so you know for sure if the moving average is crossing at the higher highs, you know for sure the trend is about to change from a bullish trend to a bearish one. And then you wait for the envelopes to give you another confirmation to show you it's pointing down and that you should take the sell or short. But you know, before you wait for all those stuff, the market will already get to our 50 level, take profits. So what you want to do is go in straight with the indicator, solely on the indicator. But mind you guys, now on the second part of this video, at the end stage, I'll talk about price action, because as I make this video, you can see I'm putting up some price action highlights on the chart. so you guys can know I'm not just going in with just solely the indicator. I'm not just going blindly with the indicators. No, you don't just use indicators. This most of the time these indicators lag, and they're not going to work really good on the trending market. Aside the trending market, they don't work really good. They just follow the price movement, but they try to let you know when the market is overbought and when the market is oversold. They try to let you know when it's time to go in for a sell, or when the old trend is about to change. That's what they try to let you know. So I feel like your indicators can only support your price action knowledge. Yeah. So yeah, don't worry, we're going to get to the price action part of the video. Let's talk about how the strategy works, because some people would love to, and trust me guys, trust me when I say this, if you don't have price action knowledge, you are good to go with just the indicator strategy, because the 2021 edition, I didn't talk about price action. I didn't blend it with price action. I only just talk about using it solely without price action. So trust me, it's going to work without price action. But I'm just saying this for those who want maximum guarantee, maximum profit assurance. They should blend it with price action. You're going to be 95% of the time winning, getting more profit in the market. So, and that's what I also suggest and advise, to use price action with whatever strategy you are given. That's the way it's supposed to be, because price action is trading, and trading revolve around price action. So that was it. There we go. You can see the account is in red. I'm opening up multiple positions because I know I have my risk management on point. I'm only going to lose, I can say I want to lose $10. When it gets to $10 I close, or 20, but this time let's say maybe $20 or $30 I am about to stake on this one. So you have to know how much you are willing to lose per position or positions. So it depends on how many positions you're opening. It doesn't really matter. Just know how much you are willing to let go of the market. Make sure your VIX ratio is on point. You don't want to donate to your broker. You want to make money from your broker. So as you can see, please take good notes of each time I use price action and blend with the strategy, because I'm going to refer that at the end of this video. So stay tuned. All right, now that's another part now where emotion kicks in. As you can see, how to set stop loss. I've made a video that's going to be in the description too. As you can see, I have multiple positions running, and most of them are in loss. What do I do? How to set stop loss properly? That one also is very important. As you can see, I have around, how many? Is it about 10 positions, or almost 10 positions running on a very little account? But I'm aware, I know what I'm doing. I'm setting stop loss for each now. Trying to see which one I don't have stop loss on. I'm gonna put stop loss there, a very tight stop loss, of course, because this is a small account. I don't want to risk anything at all. The highest I want to cut my losses at would be at $20, $30 staked for any loss that's gonna come through. That's the amount I'm willing to lose. But as you see, the market is going to try and reverse, obeying the price action, obeying the strategy. You can see price action correlates with the strategy. As you can see, the market is rejecting support there, reversing that support, trying to buy. And also, as you can see on the stochastic oscillator chart, that the market is jumping off the 20 level and trying to buy. So that's basically what you're going to get most of the time using the strategy. I've got a lot of testimonials of people using the strategy, but I also want you to test this out, back test on your demo account first before you take it down to your real account. So it's going to get shaky. It's not all that easy, but most of the time it would be. I just put up my account for a test, and this is the result I get. So I feel like many people too will get good results with the strategy. But if you don't, let me also know. Let's see how we can walk through and make the strategy even much more better. So let you guys in again is I'll be creating a robot that's going to trade automatically based on this strategy. So if you know you are good with making robots on Deriv, please contact me. My contact is in the description too. I really want to. I'm already working on one, but I'm having some issues at some of the parameters. So I would love anyone who is good in creating robot, or who knows someone who creates robots and dev, please contact me immediately. We really need to implement robots to automate this one for us, because I feel it's like a very it's a very easy reversal strategy. But now that we blending with price action, it's not just reversals with trading. We can also buy at the 50 levels. We can just buy and sell whatever time at the market, but we're just using the strategy to support with a little bit of price action. So on the next part of this video is going to be the price action. We'll talk more about price action, since we already know how to trade using the strategy alone. So if you want to use just the strategy, it's good for you. You're going to make profit too. But if you're going to be blending with price action, much better, because you're going to have much more guarantee to be in profit most of the time. So all that being said, now after the music intro, the next thing is gonna be price action. So stay tuned, guys.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Alright guys, so that is how we close the 201s, the new index, with massive almost $100. So don't let yourself down. Just like the music say, take a chance now with this strategy. First, take a chance on your demo account, please. I want you guys to first back test these on your demo account. Don't want to hear issue of I just put it up straight on my real account and I end up making loss. Please guys, make sure you test it on demo, and if it's good for you, then you take it to your real account, guys, please. So you see no confirmations for moving average and envelope. We just take these entries with stochastic RSI, but then when you see confirmations with moving averages and envelopes, you take another position, or you know for sure that this is now multiple confirmations. So but anyways, as the video plays, I'm gonna make a withdrawal now so we can start again. I'm gonna make a withdrawal of $100 and we'll start again to try and flip $50 twice in a day. Let's see if that is really possible. We're gonna see in this video. So $100 is out and we're gonna start from 50 all over again. So but as we do that, I'm gonna go straight to the part 2, like I said, which is gonna be price action. Alrighty guys, price action. I'm not gonna be able to do it all on this video, it's gonna be too long. So instead what I'll do is I'll leave important materials, videos that I've made before in the past that you can go watch if you've not watched it before, and also a special video I watched from a guy on YouTube here. It's been very effective on my trading experience. I'm also gonna leave the link to this video on YouTube here, so go check the trading channel out. Awesome materials there, you're gonna help, that's gonna help you out. So with your price action highlights, I'm gonna tell you guys to know these price action. So far so good, and if you watch carefully on this video, you would see I use them too also on this video. So I used candlestick charts. Trending market is also important to take note of. Support and resistance, chart patterns. When it comes to patterns, we need to check out the chart patterns, breakout patterns, candlestick patterns. Consolidation too is important, and then indicators. So once you know all this stuff, you are one step away from being a price action guru. So my bad guys, I'm gonna make a price action video. I'll try and make a long price action video to talk about everything, how me personally trade with price action. I beg guys, I could do I beg, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do it. So as you can see, almost $100 here again, another flip for the day, and I'm gonna call it a day for this one guys. That's pretty much all for this video. Check out this price action strategies. I'm gonna leave materials, contact me if you want to get more materials like that, and I'm gonna see you all in the next one.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.